Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, high-protein, super crunchy, super healthy, super quick and easy cinnamon roll snack. Made with chickpeas, but tastes like tiny, super crunchy cinnamon rolls. So good! So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a can of chickpeas. Drain. Rinse. And throw them into a bowl. Next, add 3 tablespoons of date syrup into another bowl, along with a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. And just mix it. Combine it with the chickpeas. Place them onto a baking sheet. And bake them at 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Now enjoy a super tasty and super healthy snack! Thanks for watching.